1. Our advanced CCDR and punching technology achieve a great thickness tolerance of plus or minus 0.03 mm. In comparison, the ordinary casting grid has a tolerance of plus or minus 0.1 mm. This enhances the uniformity of the active material coating during the coating process. 2. Continuous paste application monitored with SPC, testing one plate's paste amount and weight every minute. 3. Assembly pressure testing, including random sampling and first article inspection. 4. Stable quality through automatic casting, welding, and wall penetration welding. 5. Quantitative acid addition with rate control. 6. Grouping batteries with the same capacity during linear formation according to customer requirements. 7. Each battery undergoes a 2-hour resting period and high current and voltage grouping screening before leaving the factory to ensure no internal faults.